Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix there are issues with your domain on Shopify. So if Shopify displays issues with your domain error, follow these steps to resolve it. Step 1 is checking domain connection. Navigate to Shopify admin, then navigate to settings, then click on domains button available just right here. Now click your custom domain and check the status of that domain. Now, if it says not connected or pending, proceed to the next step. The next step is verifying the DNS settings. For third-party domains, set these DNS records in your domains provider settings. The A record should be pointing to Shopify's IP like 23.227.38.65. The CNAME record should point towards www to shops.myshopify.com, and here you'll have to remove any old A or CNAME records conflicting with Shopify. Now, step 3 will be checking domain verification. Ensure that the domain isn't expired on your registrar. If you transferred a domain, it may take up to 48 hours to fully connect. Now, step 4 will be enabling SSL certificate. So, you'll have to navigate to settings and navigate to domains, and if SSL shows as pending on this page, wait 24 to 48 hours for it to get verified. Now, if it still doesn't activate, click retry SSL certificate. Now, step 5 will be contacting Shopify support. So if the issue persists, you'll have to simply navigate to a new tab, then go to the search bar, type in Shopify Help Center, then click on the link that says help.shopify.com, log into this page, and you would have successfully fixed your problem by asking assistance from the Shopify Help Center. After applying these fixes, your Shopify domain should be properly connected and working smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.